Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a simple overview of how to tackle one-step equations. Now, equations can be pretty simple. The one thing that you have to keep in mind is that in the word equations, there's the word equal. And so as you can see here in our equation, it's written as 3x equals 18. And what that's telling us is that while we're doing the problem, both sides of our equation have to remain equal at all times. Now that doesn't mean that both sides are going to have the exact same numbers or letters at all times. What it means is that the amounts just have to remain equal in order for us to solve the problem. And so another way of thinking about this is that an equation basically is a scale where on the one side we have our 3x, and then on the other side we have our 18. Whenever we move something from one side to the other side, we need to make sure that we do the same action on that other end so that our scale doesn't tip over, so that it's balanced at all times. And so in order to solve this equation, we want to get our 3x into just x. We want to get that x by itself. And in order to do that, we need to move everything else that's on the same side of as the x over to the right hand side in this case. So how do we get rid of that 3 that's on the left hand side? Well, the way we take care of that in equations is by doing the opposite operation. And so 3x is the same thing as 3 times x. And so in order to get rid of that 3 on the same side as the x, we need to do the opposite operation, which is division. So I'm going to come back over here to our left-hand side. In order to get rid of the 3, I need to divide by 3 on my left-hand side. And since I'm dividing by 3 on the left-hand side, that means I need to divide by 3 on the right-hand side as well. Now, 3 divides the other 3 because they're both numbers, they're both integers. And so, these two cancel out because you know that when we divide a number by itself, it ends up giving us 1. So on the left-hand side, we would have 1x. Now, 18 divided by 3 will give us 6. So on the other side, we'll have 6. And so our final answer is 1x equals 6, or we can just write that as x equals 6. So I hope you found that useful. There'll be many more videos in the future going over the various concepts that any student will need help with in all areas of mathematics. So if you're looking for more information and more tips, make sure to visit our YouTube channel or to visit our blog at www.striveacademics.com/blog.